In Rockford, Illinois, where hot summers and icy winters are part of everyday life, maintaining a comfortable and efficient home can be a challenge. If your house still has older, drafty windows, you're likely paying more than you should in heating and cooling costs, while dealing with uneven temperatures and unwanted drafts. That's why so many homeowners in Rockford are turning to energy-efficient windows. Designed with advanced materials and insulation technology, these windows do far more than let in natural light. They help regulate your indoor climate, reduce utility bills, and enhance your home's comfort and value. Here's why upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest investments you can make for your Rockford home. Lower energy bills year-round. Older windows often allow air leaks and heat transfer, meaning your furnace or air conditioner has to work harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature. In Rockford's cold winters, that means valuable heat escapes. In the summer, hot, humid air seeps in. Energy-efficient windows feature double or triple pane glass, argon gas fills, and low emissivity coatings that reduce heat transfer. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to run as long or as often, lowering your monthly energy bills while maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature. Many Rockford homeowners report noticeable savings within the first year of upgrading, making it an investment that quickly pays for itself. Consistent comfort in every season. Rockford's weather can change quickly, freezing mornings followed by mild afternoons, or humid days with evening storms. Energy-efficient windows help stabilize indoor temperatures, eliminating cold drafts near windows in winter and reducing heat buildup during the summer. By keeping conditioned air inside and outdoor air out, your home stays more comfortable no matter the season. Whether you're relaxing in your living room or working from your home office, you'll enjoy a more balanced and pleasant indoor environment year-round. Protection from UV damage. It's easy to underestimate how much damage sunlight can cause inside your home. Over time, harmful UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, drapes, and artwork, especially in rooms with large windows. Energy-efficient windows are built with specialized coatings that block up to 90% of UV radiation, allowing natural light to brighten your space without damaging your belongings. This protective feature preserves your interior finishes and helps your home look newer, longer. Noise reduction. For a quieter home. If you live near a busy street or have active neighbors, outside noise can disrupt your peace. The same insulation that improves energy efficiency also acts as a sound barrier, reducing external noise by up to 50%. With properly installed energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a quieter, calmer indoor environment, making it easier to relax, work, or rest without distractions. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Beyond energy performance, today's energy-efficient windows are also stylish. Available in a wide range of frame materials, colors, and finishes, they can complement both classic and modern Rockford home designs. Upgrading your windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal and its resale value. Buyers increasingly look for energy-efficient features when shopping for homes, and new windows are a standout selling point that signal quality and care. According to real estate experts, homeowners often recoup 70% or more of their investment in energy-efficient windows when they sell, making it one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. Environmental benefits. Choosing energy-efficient windows isn't just good for your wallet, it's also good for the planet. By reducing your energy consumption, you're helping lower your household's carbon footprint. Many of today's windows are made from sustainable materials and designed for long-lasting performance, reducing waste and the need for frequent replacements. It's a practical step toward a more eco-friendly lifestyle in Rockford's growing community of environmentally conscious homeowners. Professional installation. For maximum performance. Even the best energy-efficient windows can't perform as intended if they're not installed correctly. To get the most from your investment, it's essential to work with experienced local installers who understand Rockford's weather conditions and building standards. Professional installation ensures proper sealing, alignment, and insulation, the key factors that make your windows airtight, weather-resistant, and long-lasting. A smart investment for every Rockford home. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is more than a home improvement. It's a long-term investment in comfort, savings, and sustainability. From lowering your energy bills to enhancing curb appeal, these windows deliver benefits you'll notice every day. For homeowners in Rockford, where the weather is unpredictable but home comfort is essential, energy-efficient windows are the perfect combination of practicality, style, and value.